We're here at NAIDEX today, so we're Mobility in Motion.
We're at the NEC with NAIDEX.
Mobility in Motion. Today we're at NAIDEX.
Like this world record, and I said, well, yes please.
So I adapted my vehicle for this hoist, which enables me to get around and just go out and socialise with everybody. Fantastic. I recommend it.
So you father and son?
Yeah.
Now gave us a full demonstration of it, and I must admit I was blown away with it. It's just how easy it is.